Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. Today, I'm going to discuss a very interesting poem from your Fragrance English Reader book. That is The Brave Little Kite, Lesson 6 at page number 43. Now, students, you will be able to understand summary, word meanings, phrases, explanation. You will be able to understand the thought and imagination contained in this poem. Now, students, the poem The Brave Little Kite is beautifully written by Catherine Pyle. Catherine Pyle was a children's author and an American poet. She also worked for bringing changes in society and was active in helping anyone who was in need. Students, the poem describes the daring flight of a little kite who initially was afraid to fly but later rose high up in the sky. It motivates everyone to rise and be confident about themselves. Students, the kite here has lifelike qualities, so we will use the pronoun he for kite. Now students, I will discuss the detailed summary of this poem. The poem expresses the fearful nature of a little kite which wants to fly high in the sky. The poem tells us how it takes immense courage to try things out. Initially, the little kite was afraid of taking off for his first flight and was highly pessimistic. The little kite was scared that he would fall. There was a big kite who encouraged the little kite and helped him to fly with his confidence. The little kite then gathered courage and rose in the sky and sailed with the big kite side by side. He could see the ground below and everything looked small there. He could only see birds and clouds in the sky. He was very happy as he overcame his fear and became brave. In this poem, the poet addresses the small children and emphasizes that one can accomplish any task in life with determination, self-confidence and boldness. Now students, let's mark the difficult words with their breakups and meanings. First word is inspires. I-N-S-P-I-R-E-S. Inspires means motivates. Next word, daring. D-A-R-I-N-G. Daring means fearless. Next word, tranquil. T-R-A-N-Q-U-I-L. Tranquil means peaceful. Next is stirred. S-T-I-R-R-E-D. Stirred means moved slightly. Next word, trembling. T-R-E-M-B-L-I-N-G. Trembling means shaking. Now let's discuss the phrases. First phrase, at the others. दूसरों पर. In the same line there is a phrase over his head. उसके सर के ऊपर. Come to the next stanza. Towards the tranquil sky. शांत आसमान की ओर. In the next line there is a phrase at the sight. दृश्य को. Now students, let's start the reading of the first stanza. I never can do it, the little kite said, as he looked at the others high over his head. I know I should fall if I tried to fly. Try, said the big kite, only try. or I fear you never will learn at all. But the little kite said, I'm afraid I'll fall. Now students, let's discuss the reference to context of this poem. These lines have been taken from the poem The Brave Little Kite, written by Catherine Pyle. This is a poem that inspires us to rise. It describes the daring flight of a little kite who was afraid to fly but later rose high up in the sky. Now students, here the little kite was afraid to fly in the sky. It looked at the other kites flying high. The little kite thought that he would fall if he tried to fly. Now students, how does the little kite feel in the first 3 lines of the poem? Students, the little kite feels scared that he would fall if he tried to fly. And there was a big kite who encouraged the little kite to try or he would never learn to fly. Now students, who encouraged the little kite to fly very high? Yes, the big kite encouraged the little kite to fly very high. What piece of advice did the big kite give to the little kite? The big kite advised the little kite to try to fly in the sky. Now students, here the little kite said, I am afraid I'll fall. What makes the little kite afraid to fly? How did he overcome his fear? The little kite was afraid that he would fall. He overcame his fear when he gathered the courage to fly. Let's read the stanza too. The big kite nodded. Ah, well, goodbye. I'm off. And he rose towards the tranquil sky. Then the little kite's paper stirred at the sight, and trembling he shook himself free for flight. Now students, in these lines, the big kite bade goodbye to the little kite and rose up in the sky. Now students, who rose to the tranquil sky and why? Yes, the big kite rose towards the tranquil sky because he knew he could fly high in the sky without fear. Now then, the little kite's paper moved slightly. It trembled and shook himself free to fly. Now students, here the little kite has tried to fly in the sky. Students, here are some set of questions. Number 1. How did the little kite feel initially? Number 2. What did the little kite say? Question number 3. What was the little kite afraid of? Question number 4. Who encouraged the little kite to fly? Question number 5. Who first rose to the tranquil sky? Question number 6. How did the little kite prepare itself for the flight? Now students, on the basis of the understanding of first 2 stanzas, you will be able to answer these questions easily. Now students, I hope you have understood the topic well. Now read the poem again for better understanding and follow your SNAP homework schedule. Thank you everyone.